Ever wondered how those intricate, iconic tartan patterns are meticulously crafted? Today, we're diving deep into Adobe Illustrator to unlock the secrets of creating authentic tartan plaid, paying close attention to color arrangements and stripe widths first. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Let's aim for a square artboard, around 1000 by 1000 pixels, for easy tiling later. Now, the heart of tartan lies in its colors. Choose the specific colors representative of the clan tartan you want to replicate. For this example, we'll use a classic palette of red, green, navy blue, and yellow. Add these colors to your swatches panel. Using the rectangle tool, create a horizontal stripe at the top of your artboard. Input the width of the artboard for the shape's width. Choose your first color, let's say red. Now, duplicate this stripe and change its color to green. Repeat this process, creating several horizontal stripes of varying widths. Using all the colors from your palette, this is your color sequence. Pay close attention to the specific stripe widths of your chosen tartan. Refer to an authentic tartan reference image for accuracy. Select all the horizontal stripes you've created, group them, and then duplicate the entire group. Rotate the duplicated group by 90 degrees. Now, carefully position the vertical stripes so they intersect with the horizontal stripes, creating the classic tartan grid pattern. You can nudge them into place using the arrow keys for precision. To see how the pattern tiles, select all elements, go to Object greater than Pattern greater than Make. Now, Illustrator will automatically create a repeating pattern swatch from your design. Adjust the tile settings as needed for a seamless effect, and there you have it, a beautiful, authentic tartan plaid created from scratch in Adobe Illustrator. Now you can explore recreating specific clan tartans and even design your own.